if you are living in Denmark, so this video is very helpful for you. If you are working in Denmark, like you and your partner, and you have kids and you are not providing them proper time, so this GoTutor platform are helping you and your kids to complete homework and school and colleges projects, to help them learn, to help them and teach. So where exactly available such kind of facilities and what is the advantage? Let's check it out as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and type here GoTutor, enter. I already put it the link in same video description. So look at this, originally in Danish platform. So such kind of facilities are available here. So this is a website page. So homework help you tutor your child. So you can put it here your mobile number and they call you, and then you explain what exactly problem you are facing. You are not giving proper time to your kids and they are not making properly homeworks, projects and any other tasks. So they help you, they teach you individual needs analysis, made a teaching and ongoing report provided as a school as well as you. The three phases are available. So homework help, online tuition and private teaching. They are providing three different categories: subject mathematics, dance, English, French, German, Spanish, biology, physics, chemistry, neutral technology, statistical, history, geography, Christian knowledge, music and psychological. All subjects they are covered. Level 0 to 10 grade. High schools also they are providing some basic languages course, and which subject you are selecting you can search here. Meet our teacher, become a teacher, and some prizes. So prizes are available like per time homework help 299 krona, pay only in hours if you spend, no need to other small thing, opportunity more subject and teaching, interest and fees free including the offer. So such kind of options are available here. Per time means they are visiting or they are teaching you one day one time. So such kind of fees are available, or entire the information you can call directly and then they explaining you all detailed information. But if you have no time to teach and properly focusing on your child, so this platform is very important. If you are living in Denmark, they are cover entire school project and help your child and improve his capability, his skills related on school class. It's quite amazing platform, so you can visit. If you really like this particular platform, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well as share this video and other people also receiving such kind of information. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.